Hello children, today we are doing the chapter knowing our numbers or playing with numbers. This is part 1 of class 6th. This is the NCRT course and I am your educator Deepika Garg. We are going to just complete these topics in this comparing numbers, greater smaller numbers, making numbers, greater numbers, ascending, descending, and many more. This is comparing number. My dear, you have just listened how to compare. We compare in our life, compare everything. We compare about our friends, we compare with our friends and all. No? We compare everything. So we compare, now we are comparing the numbers. Now we are comparing numbers. You can see number on the screen. Okay, there are 2 digits number, 3 digits number, 4 digits and 5 digits number. Okay, now when we have to compare, you are in standard 6 and this is a revision of all the chapters of the maths from class 5. So you know everything, that 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits and 5 digits number. Compare means greater number, smaller number or number equal. Okay, now you can see which number is greater and the first line and the second line. Now first line is very easy, first question is very easy for you. Second question, we have 4 digits in every number. To compare these numbers, we have to read these numbers. First we have to start with a greater digit. To find which number is greater, we have to start from a greater. Second question have 4 digits in all the numbers. First number, we have to check first number of each digit. This is 1, this is 1, this is 9, this is 9, this is 9. It means these two numbers are small, these two numbers are small, these two numbers are small, and these 4 numbers are greater. Now after comparing these numbers, we have to check the second digit, that is hundreds place. 202. It means these two numbers are bigger. Now we will compare the third place. Third place means seconds digits, tens digit. To compare, this is 0 and this is 1. It means 1 is greater. This is the greatest number. This is second greatest number. 1, 2, 3. We are having the 3 greater number. We are arranging them in a descending order. Descending means जो सबसे बड़ा है, बड़े से छोटा, from bigger to smaller. Then remaining 2 numbers, first place is being done, second places, both the places have 9, tens places, both the digits have a different number. So this number is 4th digit and this is the 5. You can do this. Which will be the greatest and smallest according to you? Can you name these numbers now? Can you number these numbers? Yes, it's absolutely correct. The greatest number is yes, this is the greatest number. This is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. Arranging. Now children, we are just going to do that arranging the digits. As you are in standard 6, you have done this thing in previous classes also. From 1 to 5 class, you have done these number. Units you have done, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, till crores you have done crores. Now from 10 crores, Arabs and 10 Arabs, we are doing this. We are adding these 4 numbers in your list. Okay. Now use the given digits. Use the given digit. With the increase in the number, we are increasing 0. We are increasing 0 in each line. 1 0 is being added from down to up, step by step. Okay, so you can understand. You have to learn this table. You have to learn this table, as this table is very important. Now we have to do a question. This is a question for you. Use the given digit without repeating. You have to make it very sharp without repeating and make the greatest and the smallest number. You know, smallest number, 2 is the smallest number, then 4, then 7, then 8. This is the smallest number. Okay, and to find the greatest number, you have to reverse all these numbers. 8, 7, 4, 2. This is the smallest number for the above question. I think you have understood just now. Now we are doing the second question. This question you have to do. I'll give you some time to do this question. This question is very nice question. You can take your time to do this question. Have you done? Yes, now we can. First, we will write the greatest number. Your time is up. Greatest number 9, 7, 4, 0. Wow, this is a series itself. I have given you the greatest number only. Okay. Now we are going to write the smallest number. Should I write it 0? I should reverse it. Is a 0, 4, 7, 9. Is this correct? 479, I think so. No, this is not correct. Then four digits are being given to you, and one digit is 0. Out of them, one digit is 0. Then you should not, it is a rule, you should note it, that you should not place the 0 digit on the ones place. You should not place 0 digit in the starting. You have to write the smallest number, that is 4, and 0 will be placed after 4. 7 and 9. This is the smallest number. Major thing to arrange the digits into number is that you have to notice about 0. Other than that, you can do, because we have done it in our previous classes. Arranging digits into number. As we have done these things, now you can simply make digits out of this. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 digits with condition as given. What is the condition? Digit 7 is always on the ones place. Question? The question, I am giving you the question on the board. 4, 7, 2, 8. Or you can take any digits of your choice, but the condition is digit 7 is always on the ones place. So can you just write, can you do or perform any 7-digit number? Can you write any 4-digit number where 7 is on ones place? Your time is up. I am writing a number of my choice, that is 3, 2, 0, 7, where 7 is at ones place. This is the smallest number of my choice. Now I'm writing a greater number where 7 it has ones place. 9, 7, 4, 7. Yes, I can repeat a number because this is not given in the condition that you can't repeat the number. Okay, now you are done with this, and I think so you are able to understand it properly. If you're not able to understand, then you can ask me again. Now we are arranging the digits into number. It's a very easy task because we have 3 digits only, but you have to make a 4-digit number. Now I have given this chart every time, my dear children, I have given this chart every time so that you can learn this chart. This chart is very important, and this is the Indian system, number system, and we as Indian should know this number system. Okay, we just count a currency in this number system only, and we perform every activity performed in India with this number system only. When we go abroad, then we use international number system. Okay, now make a greater and a smaller number by using any one digit twice. It's your choice to make a 4-digit number, but you can use this digit twice. Okay, first performing a question, you have to make 2 numbers, greatest and smallest. Greatest number, then the smallest number. But second also you have to make a greatest number and a smallest number. Yes, now your time is up. And I think so you are very well known. Greater number means great. 8 is great. And I can use a number. I have to create a 4-digit number. So I will use the greatest number 2 times. 8873. This is the greatest number. Okay. Same with the 9B question. 9. I can repeat. So I will repeat the greatest number. 9950. This is the greatest number I am doing. Okay, now we will do the smallest number. Smallest number. The smallest number is 3. Again, I will repeat the 3. 8. 3. 3. 7. 8. We could write 778, but 3778. Just see, if I repeat 3778, so is it a smaller number? This is the smaller number, and this will become a greater number. So our answer might be incorrect. So I'm not using 7 2 times. I'm using 3 2 times. Okay. Now come the awesome question. B. We have to perform a small number. We have to make a small number with question B. Can you make a small number? Yes. Smallest digit is 5. I told you the rule. 0 will not be used initially. 0. I will repeat 0 2 times, and 9. If I would have repeat 5509, it is a bigger number. I could have written at 5059. Then also this number is smaller. Okay. Now coming to the next, arranging digits into number. Arranging digits into number. Take 2 digits. Okay, say 2 or 3. Make 4-digit number using both the digits equal number of time. There is a twist in the question. You have to use number is 3, 2 and 3, and you have to use this number 4 times. 4 times. Which is greatest possible number? I'm giving you the time to create a possible number. Greatest possible number. Greatest possible number with 4 digits, 2 or 3 is 3. 3. You have to use each digit equal time. So to arrange a digit or to make a number is not a difficult task, but you have to read the conditions given in the question. Maths is playing with numbers. Every chapter means playing with numbers. Okay, so you should read the question. If you're not able to understand the question, don't give up, don't get panic. Read the question again and again. Answer is hidden only in the question. Which is the smallest possible number? From 2 and 3, which is the smallest possible number? Can you tell me? Yes, possible, and both the digits equal number of time. I will reverse this digit like this. 2, 2, 3, 3. Right? Okay, now there is a question for you. How many numbers can you make in all? 2 numbers though I have written. Can you make how many? Neither greater neither small. How many possible number can you make? This is the question. You can do it in your copy. There should be maximum 4 numbers and the number is 2 and 3. You can repeat them equal number of time. Okay, you can give me the answer in the chat box. Now we are doing ascending and descending. Wow, this is such a nice cartoons. Okay, there is a family. I know, family, father, mother and daughter and son. So can we arrange them? Do you know what is ascending and descending? Yes, in the previous class from class 2 and 1, you know which is ascending and descending. Ascending means increasing. Bada ho jana. Okay. So can you number? This is a game for you. Can you number them? Which number will come first and which will come last? Okay. This is my answer. Yes. This is ascending. Ascending means number 1 is this. In ascending, number 1 is this. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Is it correct? Yes. According to the height of the people of the family, it is correct. This is from small to big. Small to big. This baby, this boy is small. So you can learn ascending small to big. Okay. Small to big. Okay. Now ascending order means arrangement. You know this? From the smallest to greatest. This I have told you. So you have to perform with this according to the numbers. You have to do the question. This is the number table given to you at the bottom of the screen. Again, you have to see, you have to mark 1, 2, 3, 4. The number which will come, which will you answer first, will be marked 1. Let's solve this question. Okay. Number one will be, there are 3 digits. First letter is having 3 digits, second is having 4, third is having 4 and fourth is having 3. So I will check the places. 3-digit number, hundreds. 3 digits means 100 place. So 100 place is smaller number. If father gives you 100 rupees note and if he give you 1000 rupees note, which number is smaller? 100, of course. So number, if he gives you 500 and if he gives you 800, which number will Which note number will you think is less? Yes, of course, 500 is smaller, 800 is a little bigger. From thousands, 8,000 or 9,000, which is bigger? Which is bigger? From 8,000 and which will be bigger? Yes, 8,000 is bigger and 9,000 is more bigger than 8,000. So we will write number 1 will be this number, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Okay, now you can write it like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will write these digits. It will be easy for you to write and read the digit completely. 9,700. Children, I want to tell you that in maths, what happens? Maths is a very easy subject. But the major mistake made by you all people is you just eat the numbers. So rather to delete this software of the eating the numbers, you should do that. You should read the numbers. Like you should tell the number name 9,754 in order. While writing, you should read the number. If you will not read it, you will directly. Many people have the problem. They don't read the numbers. That's why they commit mistakes in the examination. And this teacher says that you have committed a silly mistake. So this silly mistake, that if you're not reading it, you will not be able to write the correct number. Maths is a game of playing with numbers. Now, continuing with descending order. Descending, oh, this family game. Descending order means decreasing. Don't you feel very confusing? Ascending, descending, kaun sa bada, kaun sa chota bhai? I am not able to recall whether to learn A or D. Right? Now, I will tell you a mnemonic to learn ascending or descending. Ascending. You have done A to Z in the small classes. Which number comes first from A and D first? Yes, of course. A comes first in A to Z letters and D come after A. So it's a mnemonic for you to learn whether you're doing ascending or descending, what you have to do. Whether you have to go from larger to smaller or smaller to larger. In order to learn this, D means decreasing order. And A comes first, so you have to write small, then big, then big, then big. So this is ascending and decreasing. 4, 3, 2, 1 is decreasing. So can we number the family? Can we number the family now? Yes, I hope you have understood. To number the family, descending means decreasing. To decreasing means who comes first according to the height of this family? Yes, question. There is a condition. Now, we don't have to compare with the height. If we have to compare with the weight, who will come first? Yes, this will come one number. According to the weight, this will come 1, this will come 2, this will come 3 and this becomes 4. Okay, but if we go and compare it as height, then who will come first? According to height, decreasing. Descending means decreasing. To number 1, daddy will come at number 1. Then this daughter is greater than mama, so she will come at 2, 3 and 4. Right? This is the descending order. Descending order. We are starting the descending order from here. From here. Daddy will come 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the height. Decreasing. The height is decreasing. Okay, the graph is going like this. Like this. Okay. Now, decreasing order means arrangement of the greatest number to smallest number. We have learned this. We have learned this with the diagram. So now, can you just do the same activity with the numbers? You have to find the places, number of places. We have from the question 1a, we have 4-digit number, then again 4-digit number, then a 5-digit number and a 4-digit number. Oh, it's very easy. You can perform this digit as the greatest number. Decreasing order. To give a decreasing order, this is the greatest number. Then to find next number, we have to see the first digit. Number is 7. This number is 5 for digit 7. 7. Oh, 7, 7. Now looking at the hundreds place, two numbers are being selected: 7,500, 7,861. So I will take this digit as second number and this digit as third and this digit as fourth. If you are not able to understand, children, again and again I'm telling you, maths is a very easy and an interesting subject. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the question box. Now, shifting digit. Do you think, do you have this activity in your class? Ma'am, just give a rotation. Backbenchers come on the first and first benchers go at the back. This shifting digits come in your classes. This is being performed in the classroom also, right? So shifting digit before and after. Okay, exchange. Now there is a condition. This is a condition. You are being given a number. Okay, and there is a condition. Exchange the first and the third time. This is the first number and this is the third number. You have to exchange. So you will write it 5, 7. You will exchange the place of 5 and 7. And before exchanging the places, it was this and it became this. Now teacher can ask you, if you exchange the value, if you shift a digit, which number is greater, which number is smaller? I have told you this question with 3 digits, with 100 digit only. Teacher can give you are in standard 6, so teacher can give you the same number with a digit of 1000 or 10,000, and he or she can give you with a digit of lakh also. So don't get panic and perform the same thing with a digit of lakh. Now, this thing is very, you people think the place value and face value. What is this? It seems to be very difficult for you? Okay, let's solve this difficulty. Place value. Place value means the place where you are sitting is a place. Okay, and the place, we can see number on a screen. There are some numbers written with the name. Anand is on first place, Madhu is on second place. Look this as your classroom. Alia is at third place, Seema is at fourth place, Rosie 5 and Amy at sixth place. Now I am asking you a question. Place value of Seema. What is the place value of Seema? Right. Place value of Seema is 4. Okay. Now children, we are doing this with a name, but you have to perform. Oh, we are doing maths. We have to perform each and every activity with numbers. So I will just give you a table. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, and this is lakh. So what is the place value of Seema? Yes, place value of Seema is 400. Okay, what is the place value of Alia? Place value of Alia is 3,000. 3,000. 1, 2, 3,000. We have to put zeros. Okay. Now I've told you previously. Now we are doing this with a value. Place value of 7. Before performing any question in your exam or in your copies, you should read the question again and again. Place value of 7. 7. Mark the 7. So we should form a line or a circle on 7. What is the place value of 7? Yes, place value of 7 is 7. 7 is on which place? You have to count the place. You should learn the table on your finger. Ones, hundreds, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So answer is 7,000. We can write, instead of these number, you have to write 3 zeros behind 7. 7 कितने नंबर से आगे है? 7 के पीछे कितने नंबर्स हैं? 3 numbers हैं, तो you have to put 3 zeros. This is the simple way to learn face value, place value. Wow, this is a face value. Why are we studying place value, face value? Face value, to know the number, to play with numbers. Number is very interesting and we like to play with numbers. That's why we are doing this number game. Face value. Can you see this girl? And in the mirror, her face is visible. Face visible means face value. Same thing is being done with numbers. Face value, same question. Face value of 7. Face value. What is the face value of 7? Yes, face value of 7 is face itself. 7 number itself. Your face resemble to you. That's why the number 7's face resemble to number 7. This girl is looking in the mirror. What will she look? Her face itself. So if 7 is visible in the mirror, then what is the face value? 7 itself. Okay. You can learn with this. When you are asked the face value, just look at your face in the mirror. Then you will remember that your face is visible. When you see 7 in the mirror, what will be visible? 7 itself. So place value of 7 is, face value of 7 is 7. And the place value again, what is the place value? On which place is 7? This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. 7 is on the thousands place. कहाँ रखा हुआ है 7 को? 1000 की जगह पर. ओके, 1000 की जगह पर बैठा है 7. ओके, अब चेहरा कैसा है 7 का? What type is of 7? What is the face of 7? 7 का चेहरा 7 के जैसा ही है. Okay. Now, children, I have heard from many students that they are unable to expand the place value. They expand it, they just mash up and they are not able to expand. I will teach you a very simple way. Can you see a rubber band on my screen? Oh my god, ma'am is teaching science or maths? Yes, because we are expanding. So I am telling you the meaning of expanding. Expanding means to stretch. If I just stretch this rubber, it will go like this. This rubber is so small, you can see this number like this, but it will become so much big. Okay, so you have to expand. In the same way, we have to expand the numbers. Now, how to expand the numbers is very interesting. You have learned this thing also in your previous classes. Which number is this? Can you read this number? I told you, don't do maths like that only. Read maths. You should read the numbers. I will read this number as 78. Okay, so what I said, 78. I told like this. Yes, this is the expansion of the number. So easy. How many tens are being added in this number? So you can write 7 के अंदर कितने tens हैं? 1 10 है भाई. and 8 की place value 8 है, ones की place पे है 8, 8 is on ones place. Okay, this number is easy. I always took a easy number before teaching, and I always take a hard number after teaching. Same, which number is this? Read the number and you can write it very easily. This number is 278. Wow, it's so easy. Expansion is so easy, right? So you can do this. Now to perform this, you can see this number 2 is being multiplied with 100. I will give you some multiplication tricks and some addition tricks in other videos in order to perform this maths activity as a game. Then we have an addition. 7. How many zeros are there? There is only one zero, so I will give 1 0 plus 8 on ones place. 8 doesn't have any number, so I'll write it like this. Is this expansion very easy? Okay, now I have a question for you. Can you read this number? If you can read this number, you can write the expansion very properly. So initially you have to learn reading the number. Once we will learn, read it like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. I will write it for you. Ones, this number is at ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, so now can you read this number? For international and national number system, you have two things. We are doing national number system, so I will tell you from ones place. You should put comma after last three numbers. Okay, I will just tell you to put comma. Let me change my pen. I will put a comma under this and this. I will write this number as 45278. Okay, right. Now can I read this number? Yes, I will read this. We have to read these two numbers together. You know reading the numbers? 45,278. Those expansion means like this only. We will write 45,278. 40,000, then 5,000, 278. This is the expansion for this number. Okay, so as many zeros you have at the back of the number, you will write like that: 40 into 1, 4 times zeros, plus 5 into 1, 3 times zeros, 2 into 1, 2 times zeros, because we have two zeros behind that number. That's why we are just adding 10, 7 into 1, 1 times 0, plus 8 doesn't have any zeros, so I will write the 8 like that only. Okay, now this second number with the lakh digit will be done by you. Okay, it's a very easy number. You can write it, and in the same manner you can read this number like 4,57,928. You will write, I'll just help you in writing 4 lakh. If you are not able to just understand how many places, then you just count the places from this. You have 5 places, you just write 5 places. And children, I'm just telling you, while doing expansion, don't put commas behind the number. Otherwise, your teacher will cut your marks. 5, how many digits are there? How many places? 4 places. Then you have to put 4 zeros behind 5. Then you have to write the number 7. How many places behind 7? There are 3 places. You have to write 3 zeros. 9 behind 9, you will say it 900. You have written 900, then you have written 20, then you have written 8. This is the expansion of the number. Okay. Now coming to next, there is a pattern which is followed, and you have to just add the number. I am just starting my habit, starting with an easy number is a trick. That is 9 plus 1 is 10. When you add 1 to 9, it will become 10. Greatest number. 9 is a number, one digit greatest number. And if you add 1 to it, it will become 2-digit smallest number. This is 99. When you add 99 to 1, now 99 is the greatest number. When you add 1, it will become 3 smallest number. Like this, the series will go on, and you will get, if you add last digit, this is 9, and this is the greatest 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 digits in this number. It is the greatest 7 digit number, and adding 1 will become the smallest 7 digit number. Okay, now this is the international number system. Just now we were doing the national number system. That number table is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Till 10,000 we have similar table in national and international system, same as national. After 10,000 we have 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billions. Okay, this is the number, and we will increase number of zeros will increase step by step. In each row, number of zeros are increased. Okay, now the international number system, using commas in the international number system. Children, it's a very easy number system. Learning and putting comma in international number system is very easy. After every 3 digit from behind, we have to put a comma. After every 3 digit from behind, you have to put a comma. International number system, 3 digits split the number. You can see this number as 1,000. So you'll put comma after 3 digit from behind. Okay, in the same 3 digit put a comma, फिर 3 digit then put a comma. Same in billions. We have, okay, thousands, you know, we have this in Indian national system, Indian number system also. And in millions we have 7 numbers. In billions we have 10 numbers, and in trillions we have 13 numbers. Okay, so you can remember this. You can go through this table. You can learn this table, and you have to learn this table to understand the number system. And you can daily, you put a chart, and you can easily learn. Children, I'll tell you one interesting thing. Look at the Indian number system, and this number system, you can see you have done till 10 crores. Till 10 crores, you have done this number system. I'll tell you one interesting thing. After crores, it is Arabs, 10 Arabs, then Kharabs, 10 Kharabs, Nil and 10 Nil, Padma, 10 Padma, Shankha, 10 Shankha, and then is Mahashankha. Listen, we have so many numbers in Indian number system. Our Indian number system is so enlarged. It is greater than international number system. Okay, and you have heard about these words. Arab Kharabs, you might have listened these words till here. Now to learn that number, Neel. Neel is Neela. Neela Ambar. Neel, Bhagwan Shiv, Neelakantha. He is being called as a Neelakantha. है ना? तो Neel. Number Neel. Then Padma. Padma is भगवान के चरण भी पद्म, and pushp, kamal is also said as padam, and Bhagwan Vishnu, what he carry? He carry Shankh. He have Padam in his hand. Shankh, Padam. है ना? तो we have Neel. नीले आकाश में Bhagwan Vishnu is carrying Padam. Padam is the flower, lotus. ठीक है? Then he have Shankh in his hand, and if everything comes, it is Mahashankh. Okay, I love this Indian number system very much. Look, now in putting commas in Indian number system, same thing is being repeated first. You have to put you have to count 3 digits from back and put a comma after 3 digits. Then for every 2 digits, you have to put comma. There is a twist in Indian and national number system and international number system. In international, you have to put commas after 3 places. Okay, and in Indian number system, you have to put comma first 3 digits. Every number is being performed. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, not divide, plus, minus, multiply is being performed from ones place. So we are performing the question from ones place. Ones place we have to put 3 comma after 3 digits, then 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, this is number system. Indian and international number system. Now I think so after this thing you can read this number. To read this number you have to put comma. For Indian number system, I'll write a number. I will write the second number 1895049. Now to read this number in Indian number system, so we will put a comma after 3 digits, then 2 digits, then 2 digits. So I will read this. This is the place of thousands. This is the period of 1000. This is the period of 10,000. Sorry, this is the period of 100. I'm mistaken. This is the period of 100. This is the period of 100. This is the period of thousands. And this is the period of lakh. And this is the period of crores. So I will read it. 1 crore 89 lakh 50. I will just read again. 1 crore 89 lakh 50,000. There is no number on 100 place. 49. Okay. And in international number system, I will again write the number and put comma after every 3 places. I will write the same number 189500049. I will put a comma here. I will put a comma after 3 places over here. This is a 100 period. This is the period of 100. This is the period of 1000. And after 1000 is million. I will write it like this. 18,950,000. 18,950,000 and 49. Okay. Thank you. Thank you children for watching the video, and if you liked it, just please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. I will be putting more videos. Our channel is performing the task of educating students. They are creating. Our channel's name is Shrajan. Shrajan means to create. And we are creating children. We are trying to create children through easy techniques of education, easy techniques to learn life, live life in a simple and a happy manner, and easy techniques to draw, paint, color, dance. If you have any query, you can just put it on my channel. You can ask any question.